on? What is going on?
Just off!
I don't know what to do anymore.
Just go, dude. He'll
Look at his neck.
He'll understand. He just wants a free ride, okay? He's hitchhiking right now. He's looking down. He's like, I can't do it. Dude, this is so hilarious.
Is he getting it off?
Just go, Chantal.
No, but this is his home.
You don't know
McDonald's is his home. Take your french fry, get the...
I can't open my eyes.
Judy, you won't get off.
You gotta go faster.
I'm not gonna fucking knock him off. We're gonna bring him home. We're bringing this motherfucker home.
Dude, you're making me cry.
Even the girl knew who he was.
No, just fucking floor it so he gets off the car. Look, he's surfing, dude. He's surfing. Oh my God.
I can't get him off.
Dude, what the fuck?
His legs look like they're about to break.
Dude.
Nigga, you need to get off my car.
You just need to go faster. He'll fly off.
He doesn't fly.
Yeah, he does, dude. Go.
He's waiting on his friend.
Look, see? Told you.
What the
Shut up. He doesn't fly. What the fuck do you mean he don't fly?